we are gonna perform an experiment about reflectivity of aluminum. So let's perform the experiment. First, let's talk about the apparatus required. There's nothing more than your amenities required. Just you need two simple things: mobile phone like this, or iPhone, whatever you have. I have iPhone, but it's in that room, so I didn't bring. And you just need a simple aluminium foil or kind of that kind of things, and a scissor. So these are the apparatus required. So these are the basic apparatus you require. Now let's do the experiment. First, we'll take the smartphone like this. This is my smartphone, as you can see, guys. So now we'll just simply take this aluminium foil and give it a proper shape. As you can see, guys, this is the scissors. Let me cut it. So guys, let me cut it. Wait. So guys, as you can see, I've cut a tiny sheet of aluminium. Now you have to do a simple thing. Wait. First, let me introduce you guys to the topic. So we are gonna do a basic experiment. Basically, we are gonna take this phone and wrap it into aluminium. It's as simple as you think, but very interesting. So we are gonna take a call to it and let's see if it rings. So first, let me show you guys something. So as you can see, guys, this is my mobile phone and no airplane mode or something else is on. You can see these things, guys, that I'm just simply showing this because anybody doesn't write in comments that I have turned on airplane mode, blah blah blah. So as you can see, guys, I am showing you as this proof. So now let's come to the experiment. So this is the phone. I keep it aside. So let's first introduce. So as I said, it's a basic experiment. Just you know to do is, but it's very interesting. Yeah, it's very interesting. I studied it a bit days ago. So now let me introduce it. Let's do it. So guys, we're gonna perform it right now. So we have let's keep the roll this side. We have this. So as you can see, guys, we have this and we have the smartphone. See, guys, nothing is on. Okay. Nothing is on. So now let me show you again. Nothing is on. Just nothing is on. And this is my wallpaper. So just keep the phone here at the center. Let me show you guys. This is the phone at the center. So now we'll just simply wrap it like this. You wrap it once. As you can see, guys, we have wrapped it once. Now, make sure there's no holes in the aluminium or any cuts. Then if you do it, then calls will go. So you have to make sure to just fold it like this. Again, one phone from this side. Now probably press it and we have to just fold it like this. Again, this bit you have to fold, and again this. But I know there are holes here, so for the extra safety, I'm going to do it once more. So let me cut it. Now I'm going to cut it live. Yo, what is this? Man, why is this tearing like this? Well, whatever, I don't care. So let me just simply cut it like this. You guys can see, guys, I'm just cutting it. As you can see, yeah, so I've cut it. Now just we have to do a simple thing. Place it here. You have to repeat the again step. Place it here. Take the phone. Take it. Wrap it up. Done. Now if you raise it once again. Done. Now once again. So as you can see, guys, let me plane it and. So as you can see, I've done this. Well, let's do it once more, because I'm sure one guy is gonna tell me that you have scammed me. So that's why let's do it once more. Just simply tear it like this. You have got this, and take it. Place. Tom. Yeah. Guys, just joking. So do this and fold it like this. Now let's do it properly. So let me smoothen it, then I'll show you it. So guys, I've smoothened this phone and it's kept in aluminum foil. So let's do it again. Yeah, so it's okay. Now we are gonna do a simple thing. We are gonna call this phone from one more mobile. This is my one more mobile, as you can see. So I'm gonna just go here and call editor. Please blur these things. So yeah, so I'm gonna call from here and we're just gonna go to simply the okay 1 minute guys. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna go to the call. Yeah, so just the call dialer and let me dial the number. I'll blur it. So guys, I've dialed the number. Now let's call. Let's see if the call goes. Let's see what does
আপনার ডায়াল করা নাম্বারটি এখন ব্যস্ত আছে অথবা এই মুহূর্তে সেটির সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করা যাচ্ছে না অনুগ্রহ করে পরে চেষ্টা করুন
they'll tell probably in English also
dialed is currently busy or not reachable at this time please try later
So guys, now let's come to the conclusion. Why did this happen? Why how and why? These are the main questions. First of all, why? This happened because of the aluminum foil which is just wrapped over. And how did it happen? This is interesting. We know that aluminum foil's wall is very thick to avoid the radiations or the call networks which will come. They are less than 1 gigahertz, so that's why call doesn't come. And there is also reflectivity of aluminum. This is why we don't get calls in phones. This is why we don't get phones in airplanes and all, because their body is at least some part is made up of aluminum. So this was a basic level experiment. So hope you guys liked it, and I made this video short and crisp, so please show your support and make sure to subscribe my channel and follow me on WhatsApp. You know, I gave it in the previous video, so make sure you like my video, and if you like it, please subscribe. Don't forget. So let me help me guys, because one like is one motivation for me, and I'll make nicer videos. So I made a short and crisp video. So bye.